Children, this is the 4.2 unit. This is the art of propaganda. So in this unit we will learn about that what steps or the techniques Nazis adopted for the total elimination of Jews in Germany. Okay, so Nazi actually it was a planned murder of Jews or non-Germans community. So they use language and media with care and often to great effect. Means they were not using any term which can make them criminal, okay, which can blame them. So what did they actually? Nazis never used the word kill or murder in their official communications whenever they were talking about or giving instructions to each other. So that time they never used this word kill or murder. Instead of using murder and killing, what terms they used for the mass killing were termed as special treatment, final solution. Final solution for whom? For the Jews. Euthanasia, it that was used. This was a term which was used for the disabled, means physically or mentally retarded people. Either they were the Germans or belonging to any other community. Selection and disinfections. Okay. These were the terms which they were using for mass killing of Jews, gypsies or disabled people. Evacuation, it was the new term which was used deporting people to gas chambers, means just evacuation. Officer was addressing their subordinates evacuation. Those subordinates were able to understand that they have to deport the people to their concentration camps or their areas to gas chambers. Okay. So they were labeled disinfection, and the areas where the people were living, the gas chambers, where the gas chambers were located. So for that gas chambers were labeled as disinfection areas and looked like bathrooms equipped with fake shower heads. Disinfection area, gas chamber, these were the actually gas chambers. These gas chambers were termed as disinfection areas, and these gas chambers were looking like a bathroom which was equipped with a fake shower heads. Shower heads means as a person means as you will open the tap, so automatically the poisonous gas will be released. Okay. Then after they also used media. How the media was used? Media was carefully used to win support for the regime and popularize in its worldview. Nazi ideas were spread through visual images, films, radios, posters, catchy slogans and leaflets. Means they used many ways of communication to spread their ideas or to create hatred feeling against Jews and non-Germans in Germany. In posters, groups identified as enemies of Germans. Enemies of Germans means all the groups, means gypsies, Jews, all they were identified as enemies of Germans, were stereotyped, mocked, abused and described as evil. Means in posters they were depicted in such a way that they are the biggest enemies of Germans. Everywhere there was mockingly they were abused and they were described as a evil for the society. Socialists and liberals were represented as weak and degenerate. They were attacked as malicious foreign agents. Those who were the socialists, those who were the liberals, they were targeted as malicious. They were said that they are the malicious foreign agents. Next, propaganda films were made to create hatred for Jews. Some propaganda films were made. The most famous film was The Eternal Jew. Eternal Jew, it was the most famous film which was made to made against Jews, in which Orthodox Jews were stereotyped and marked. Basically, in this film, Orthodox Jews, those who were the conservative Jews, they were stereotyped and marked. How they were shown in the movie. They were shown in the movie with flowing beards wearing caftans. Flowing beards मतलब उनकी लंबी लंबी दाढ़ियाँ जो हैं वो लहरा रही हैं, and they are wearing caftans. Caftan actually a long tunic worn by the men. Whereas in reality it was difficult to distinguish German Jews by their own outward appearance. हालांकि जो एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिकली था ये बहुत मुश्किल था जर्मन ज्यूज़ जो बेसिकली थे, जर्मन ओरिजिन ज्यूज़ थे, उनको